Hi everyone, my name is Jason Sansucci. I am the Chief Drone Operations Officer at Drone Ops USA. I started a little bit because it's a brand new organization, and I'll talk more about the needs. So what do we do? Why did we even form this? Mainly because I have about 15 years of enterprise drone operations experience, working with enterprises in every vertical market that this industry touches, but as a different perspective, as a remote sensing scientist. That's what I've been doing the last 22 years. So this is just a data collection device. So we formed this so that we can help enterprises kind of take their ad hoc pieces within their different areas, legal, IT, cyber, operations, aviation, and what we do is we help them put that together into a non-ad hoc way that defines it and then optimizes. So that's what we do. We do that for government contracts, local governments, state governments, DoD, anyone who actually needs it that's building or has an existing enterprise drone program that might be struggling